Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of June 21st through the 24th. So you may be asking why I'm starting on Thursday the 21st, and I will be explaining that to you. But before I do that, let me just go into what I'm going to be using in this layout today. So it kind of became a Dollar Tree thing without really even knowing that it was. Not everything's 100% Dollar Tree, but most of it is. So the first thing that I'm going to use is this calendar that I bought at the first of the year. I bought a bunch of these calendars and gave them as gifts and stuff. So this is the one that I'm using, the one that says Love the Journey. And I went ahead and pulled out this one. It says, be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet. I'm going to use this in my planner. And then I have a couple of different little stickers here that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, probably closer to the first of the year. I mainly liked this one and this little pineapple one, but I feel like they're kind of summery themed, and summer here in the United States is on the 21st, starts on the 21st, and I'm going to do kind of like a summer theme too. I wanted to kind of pull some summer things in. And then I also have this pineapple that came in this little pack. Oh, it's already open. This sticker pack right here. So I'm just going to use this little pineapple, hopefully somehow. I might make it into a paper clip, kind of the plan. And then I thought I could pull out some of these little gems that are that yellowy color. And then maybe some of the blue as well, because I do plan on using the blue. I have some stickers that I bought at, that's a very good thing to show you on here. I'll show you on this one. I got some pineapple stickers that I bought at Daiso, Japan. So I just pulled these out of my stash. I have a couple of die cuts with pineapple stuff on it, so I pulled those too. And then I bought this paper at Joann's recently, and I thought it looked good. It matched really well with this paper, and I loved that it has kind of that blue color in it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use kind of all those pieces, and then of course add in a lot more stickers during the sticker time. So let me go through what exactly I'm going to be doing. So this was my spread for the 11th through the 20th, and the reason, so if you didn't see this video, I'll go ahead and make sure I leave a link right here and you can check this video out. I am going to New York. I'm filming this before I leave on the 10th, so I wanted to make sure I had it uploaded while I was in New York, so I'm uploading it and stuff beforehand. So I haven't really written anything in here yet because it's not even the 11th yet. But basically what I did was I did a little flip out so that I could add the 20th to this, the 18th, 19th, and 20th to this spread, because I wanted my whole New York week on one layout. And then so that what basically leaves me is kind of an interesting week, the week that I'm doing this, which would be the 21st, 23rd, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, because this week the 18th, 19th, 20th is already done on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. So given that my layout this week has kind of this weird, awkward Sunday over here, because I glued it, and then of course it has days in the week that don't really even have anything to do with the week that I'm doing, that's why I decided to pull out this, and I'm going to actually put this whole thing on this side. So I'm going to do that right now. So this paper is pretty thin, and you can still see the calendar that's behind this, but I don't really care because you don't see it enough to even really matter. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to try to line this up. I'm going to take my and hope that it's good enough because I only have one of these calendars left. All right, so I'm going to put this through my paper cutter here. Okay, moment of truth. Well, it's only paper and it can be glued back together. Wow, I didn't even think about that. Oh my gosh, what a dork. All right, well, that didn't work. Obviously did not have it lined up right on this side. Okay, so let's go ahead and just, let's go ahead and get it lined up right. And then, hold on one second, let me push it up a little bit so I can see where the end is. So I want to cut it right here and then right here. So it's going to cut some of the pineapple off, but I'd rather have the pineapple cut off than the words. Actually, let's go over just a little bit more. I think I could get, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up into where this pineapple, the P in the pineapple is. And then just a little bit over. Okay. All right, and then we'll just glue that on there. See, this, it's fine. I made it work. And then we're gonna line this up. And then I actually think I'm gonna cut it so I don't have to worry about the holes. So yeah, all right. Because I don't want to have to worry about repunching these holes. Because I want to have some time to make sure the words line up. Okay, now let's put a little bit more. And then I'll do the rest in a minute. There. Can't even see that I made a bad cut. Okay, let me glue down the rest of it. And then I think what I'm gonna do for this one, just want a couple of pieces for this. I don't want to go too overboard. All right, so I'm gonna cut this for a strip down the middle. And then I'm going to cut this for the bottom. So I'm going to put this one at the bottom. And then I'm going to cut another piece for the top here. So I think I'm going to leave it like that for now. And then I have that little die cut. This die cut shape DCWV stack. And what it has on here is, if you tear out the no letters, I think it will though. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there, and then I feel like I want a strip of paper on the side, but okay, I feel like I would like a little bit more paper. So I'm just gonna flip through this Recollections paper pad thing. Just see if anything pops. Polka dot yellow is cute. Okay, let's do this. Let's see if this works. Because I'm thinking. Okay, so maybe a piece here like that. And then another piece over here. Let me just cut this piece real quick. I actually want to make this just a tiny tad bit smaller. So I'm going to trim the sides off of this a little bit. And then I'm going to cut this and then maybe, and then put it on here like that. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that better. All right, so let me go ahead and grab my whiteout. And that goes there. Okay, so let's get this glued down. So let's go ahead and go into sticker time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and churn this little sticker into a paper clip. And what I'm basically going to do is take a pop dot, glue dot, pop dot, and stick it to the back of the paper clip. Before I do that though, I'm going to go ahead and grab a piece of paper and just put a backing on this. So I'm just taking this piece of paper, I'm tracing around, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut that little image out so that way I have something to back it up with, and that way the paper clip doesn't just fall off. So I'm going to get that cut up right now. Not sure, you probably heard my son yelling in the background. Sorry about that. And I just want to say that as of this video, I'm actually voiceovering this video on Monday evening. And I had my planner video up for my Travelers Week. And I just want to say, for all the wonderful ladies that left nice comments on the video, thank you so much for that. It really does mean a lot to me that you guys watch my videos and you take the time to comment and tell me how much you enjoy my videos. So I appreciate that. All right, so there you go. There's a paper clip. I decided that I didn't want to have it hanging out of the top of the paper, so I went ahead and moved those little gemstones down, and then I'm just going to put it in between there because I popped that little yay thing up on some Pop Dots. So there you go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and write just a couple things down. This is like, what, a week from now, and I mean, it's from when I get back from my vacation, and I don't really have a whole lot of plans. I'm hoping to go to a planner meetup that I have on Thursday. I'm hoping. I haven't been to one in so long. And then I have something to do at church. And then I have a baby shower to go to. One of my planner friends is having a baby. So on Saturday we have a baby shower. So that's really everything I put on there. I'm going to go ahead and grab my planner now and get that put into my planner. I really think it turned out cute. I think I tried to maybe add too many stickers in the one page, but that's all right. I think it still turned out really cute, and I really like how it turned out. I hope you do too. Bye.